This tiny device right here can literally control my entire computer. You can launch apps, switch scenes, edit videos, or even control your music. Sounds crazy, right? Let's see how powerful it actually is. Alright, let's check out what's inside the box. We get the FIFINE AmpliGame D6 S-Stream controller, the USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. And wow, the impression! It's small, light, and the build feels premium for the price. Setting it up is super simple. You just plug it in, download the free software from FIFINE's website, and every key is fully customizable. You can drag and drop shortcuts for anything, opening Chrome, launching OBS, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, you name it. You can even add your own icons or switch colors. It feels like building your own mini control center. Let's test it out. I've set this one for recording in OBS, this one for switching scenes, and these for controlling my mic and lighting. For editing, I added shortcuts for cut, paste, mark in, mark out, and honestly, it speeds things up a lot. You forget how much time you waste clicking through menus until you have something like this. The keys are bright, clear, and easy to read even from the side. You can adjust the brightness, change colors, and the RGB glow adds a nice touch to the setup. I like that it's not just for streamers. Anyone who edits, works in design, or uses multiple apps will love it. Okay, after testing it for a while, here's what I like. It's compact, customizable, and super easy to use. The software is intuitive and it doesn't crash. For under 80 bucks, it's honestly impressive. The only thing I'd improve is the cable length. It's a bit short if your setup is far from the PC. But overall, it's definitely one of the most useful little tools I've tried recently. So yeah, this tiny device really can control your entire PC. Whether you stream, edit, or just want to boost productivity, it's a great addition to any setup. Would you use something like this? Let me know in the comments, I always reply. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other gadget reviews. See you soon in the next video.